Okay, so if you want to help after Hurricane Helene and you're in North Carolina, this is your instruction video. Step 1, go to my social posts, which are on all networks, and look at the supplies that are needed. I have an immediate drive happening right now for the supplies that are necessary after a disaster of this proportion. You can bring your stuff to me based on that list. We're going to get it on trucks and we're going to take it up. If you don't have the ability to bring stuff, you can send money. My Cash App and Venmo are there. I will show y'all transparently that I'm spending every dollar that comes in. We've already dropped over $1,000 on water today, the day after, to get the water to the people most in need. Now, if you're reading on the internet about how supplies can only be flown in, that is true. They can be flown into some locations. I am in touch with some areas where I have authorized drop-off, so our stuff is going to get to the right places and we are not going to be in the way. Now, let's say you want to give money, but you're not in North Carolina and you'd rather give to housing relief. The Realtor Relief Foundation is going to be asked, and I expect them to hopefully approve a grant. That is rrf.realtor, realtorrelieffoundation.realtor. You can also text your donation to 71777, and your word just would be RRF or Realtor, and you will get a link back where you can make a gift. The Realtors Relief Foundation, all of the money you donate goes back to our neighbors in need. The overhead is covered by the Realtor Association. Those are the 3 things you can do. Bring me stuff, give me money to buy stuff, and give money to Realtor Relief Foundation. Now, if you're a realtor in another state, Florida, Tennessee, Georgia, South Carolina, Kentucky, all these affected areas, take this, copy it, make your version of it, because we're going to need help in all these areas. If you're a realtor in North Carolina, or you're a truck driver, a church with a van, anybody with trailers and trucks that can fill things up, take my post, make your version, make a drive, and after you have your truck filled up or after you have it scheduled, message me and I will tell you the addresses and connect you to the emergency management people in these counties so that we can be strategic, we can get stuff there and not get in the way while we provide assistance that is desperately needed. Y'all, water, desperately needed and can't be flown in. Food, desperately needed. Some can be flown in, some can't. Diapers, we're going to need all kinds of cleaning materials. The need is great, but we are greater than that need, so we're going to meet it the way we've done it as a country for generations. Get involved. Check the links here to see how you can be involved. Share this with a friend, and let's get the word out so we can take care of everyone that needs help.